What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we ordered ourselves some food. This is probably a sandwich. I ordered some kebabs. There looks like some ciabatte. Jako ne volimo ciabatte. Okay. This is like the menu. Some ketchup. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh, like, there's that. Oh, here are forks and a knife. They also send mayo, which is cool. So it comes quite fancy. Always trzeba drince wyhaczyć. Let's dig in. I love this chicken. I got a little bit of salad. Which I don't mind. Because bitch, I never eat salad, and this is the only time I eat it. I love this. Okay, let's see what else we have going on. Let's remove that. Except for these. We have some kebabs. I don't know, can you see? And then we have some kebabs. We're gonna eat them. Jestem ja. Jsi nepotkal ponosy čevápy, mám i voli čevápy. Jsem já jediná osoba, která už nevolí čevápy. No bitch. And see what's the big deal. I don't know. Siehst du? Na, Balkanu, aber žádný čevápy. Ale já dneska nevolím čevápy. I mean, I haven't eaten them in like 3 years. My jsme dělali jen na týdne. It's fine. I'm gonna try this hot dog like bitch. They put mayo. I hope they would put they send me mayo like this. I hope they would like put it in my, you know, my hot dog. But it's like whatever, you know. We're gonna do it ourselves. It's dry as fuck. We're gonna put some mayo in our hot dog. Anyways, I'm kind of annoyed. I'm not annoyed. It's like, why do people care? Like, people constantly tell me, oh, you're not a woman, you're a guy, blah, 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 bitch. In case you didn't know, I was born with more female chromosomes than men. So, if I want to identify as a girl or anything, why would you give a fuck? Like, girl, get your facts straight. I have more estrogen in me than testosterone or whatever. Should I do a story time? Or should I talk about it now? Where it's like where the doctors literally try to change me, like, bitch. It's stupid. Anyways, we put mayo and we're gonna eat this. Like, let's pose for a thumbnail. No, it's better. It was kind of dry. Anyways, the doctors tried to change me. I was kind of sick or something. I bet they said my chromosomes are not okay. And that I have more female chromosomes than men, like, bitch. Anyways, thumbnail. Which I don't mind. That bitch. They can prescribe me some pills so they correct my chromosomes, so they turn me into a man, like, bitch. They wanted to fix me. I have more female chromosomes in me, and they wanted to give me some pills so I have more testosterone, bitch. No. I was like, I'm not taking that bullshit. I'm fine the way I am. I love being feminine, and you're not gonna take my femininity away from me. The only pills I could be taking is estrogen. If I want to be even more feminine. Huh. And honestly, I'm a non-binary bitch. I don't really identify as a guy or as a girl. As a girl, I'm fine, but I sure as hell don't identify as a man. I'm an alien, bitch. They, them, and she is my pronoun. I don't really like using man pronoun or he. I mean, I don't care if people use it, but it's like, I will not. And it annoys me how people on the internet tell me, oh, and when I speak in female pronouns, they're like, oh, they tried to correct me and write man once. Like, bitch, worry about your own damn life. And besides the point, if you all educated yourself, you know they're like, how can you want to be a girl or something when you're born a guy? Like, bitch, do I look like I give a fuck? I'm gonna be whoever the fuck I want to be. Y'all sure as hell ain't gonna stop me. And these kebabs are fine. I usually don't like kebabs. A bitch. I can't believe it. They're really trying to change me. Those doctors think I'm dumb because I was 13 7 years ago and my chromosomes were not fine, and they said I have more female chromosomes, and they wanted to correct that by me taking some fucking pills. No, bitch. I was like, no, I ain't taking that shit, and I didn't take a single pill. I'm not gonna, like, I feel nothing is wrong with me. I love being more feminine. And they're not gonna take that away from me. And I didn't drink those pills. I wasn't gonna allow them to change me. The only pills I could be taking is estrogen, which I might even. Because, bitch, I'm more female than men. And I have more female chromosomes than guys. Than testosterone or whatever. This chicken is bomb. Well, bitch, I ain't gonna change for no one. I love myself the way I am. I love being more feminine. And nobody is gonna take that away from me. And nobody's gonna tell me what I am. I know exactly what I am. I'm just me. And I'm just gonna be a bad bitch that I am. And slay all them hoes. So yeah, you can tell me shit. And sometimes I do feel weird taking female pronouns. But I have more female chromosomes in me anyway, so I don't give a fuck. Ain't nobody gonna tell me what I'm gonna identify as. And besides, first of all, non-binary. I don't like any labels. That's why everyone's saying, oh, I'm transgender female or I identify as this. Because I hate labels and I'm gonna identify as whatever I want. And nobody is gonna stop me. Literally don't give a fuck about people's opinions. My whole life, people have tried to change me and to tell me how should I act. But no, bitch. I'm done with that bullshit. Ain't nobody gonna tell me how I'm gonna act. Who am I gonna be? I'm just gonna be me. You know? And there's not a single person in this world who can tell me no. Also, it's so funny to me because people have issue with someone when he's confident. Not only people hate me on TikTok so much, and in general, I'm one of the most hated peoples because I'm confident and because I love myself and I am narcissistic and I'm not afraid to say that. I love myself. Oh my gosh, my nose is running. I love myself, my body. And I am narcissistic, and I do love myself. But people are so quick to judge without even knowing me. Which is like, fine, I put myself up for this, but it's like, girl, all those miserable people who have no confidence themselves are the ones hating. Why is it always the ones who lack self-confidence and self-worth and self-love the one hating on those who do have that? Because they're miserable themselves and they hate their life, so they feel better by hating on others, which is like, girl, you come to the wrong place because I don't give a fuck. And I never will. Like, it took me so much to love myself. When before, I don't know. long story short, I hated myself back in 2012 or 13, and I couldn't love myself, and I was a bit overweight. And then I got skinny, and I loved myself. I mean, not to say that you have to be skinny, but I'm finally confident in myself and my body. And I do love myself. Even though I don't particularly really love my life, there's still changes to be made. But I love myself so much. And you know what? Because I realized I'm the only bitch who's there for me. Like, I was always there for myself and nobody else was. Everybody was judging me. Everybody was trying to change me and to tell me how am I gonna act. Like, bitch, no. I love myself and I love my body. And nobody's gonna change me. But I'm gonna be a bitch. I'm a bad bitch. Bad bitch lifestyle ain't for everybody. And people seriously hate me because I love myself. Get a life, bitch. Get a fucking life, because I will never change. I love myself. It took me so long to accept myself and to love myself. And ain't nobody gonna take that away from me now. Because I am narcissistic. I am a narcissistic ass bitch. And that's why now nobody can bring me down. Like, nobody. No matter what you say to me, I will not listen. I only listen to myself. Because at the end of the day, I'm the only one who's there for me. And who's truly there for me. And who cares for me. And who always have my back. And that's why I'll never betray myself. And I'll always love myself. And I'll always be a bad bitch. And you should be too. And people who have problem with confident people should stop being a miserable ass, fucking hating ass bitch and get a life. And get yourself some confidence too. Because you'll never be happy unless you love yourself and accept yourself. So yeah, thank you for watching this little mukbang. It was fine. I enjoyed the food. By the way, while I was doing my first bites on TikTok, my fork broke and I literally almost like ate this. Like, when I was eating the chicken, I heard a crunch, like, bitch. Good thing that I didn't. Anyways, remember to love yourself and to be that bad bitch, and don't let anybody tell you that you cannot be something, or that you will not achieve your dreams, or you're not do this, you cannot do that. No, bitch, you can do everything you want, everything you put your mind to. Dreams do come true. And you just gotta love yourself and accept yourself, because at the end of the day, you're the only one who's truly there for you. And don't let these bitches tell you otherwise. Be a confident ass bitch and be a bad bitch. And work that, girl. So yeah, follow me on TikTok at SupremeKing37 and Instagram SupremeKing668. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.